negative 2x square. Right? Okay, next, change the sign. Change the sign of this also. The same condition. Will become 2x squared. Bring down. Again, first term again, 2x squared by 2x. Positive x. X times 2x. X times negative 1. Negative x. Again, change the sign of this. Change the sign of this. Add. This will become negative 4x. So negative 5 and positive 1. Subtract, copy the sign of a bigger number. Then, minus 2. Bring down minus 2. Again, this one divided by 2x. 2. Negative 2. 2. Diba? 2, negative 2 times 2x. 4 is 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1. Negative positive 2. Okay, next. Change the sign of this. Change the sign of this. So we cancel out. So we got negative 4. Therefore, answer 2x squared plus x minus 2. Remainder negative 4 over 2x negative 1.